Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Boofus' Sports Card Collecting. Today I got my Patreon package from Ethan. That's Ethan Sports Cards and More. If you don't know him, check him out. He's on YouTube as Ethan Sports Cards and More. There's his email, phone number. He also has a card shop in Kentucky. He's a really good guy. Check him out. I got so much good stuff from him. Awesome deals all the time. So this is his $100 Patreon package, and what I got was 3 team bags full of PC cards for me as a Dodger, White Sox, Niner, Laker fan, and also a couple blasters and some goodies, which is a Fanatics, cool, card savers, and some top loaders, which I will probably use up right away. And here's the team bag. So let's go ahead and get into the team bags. Okay, so the top card here for the White Sox. This is Carlton Fisk, Hall of Fame Heroes. Chris Sale, Refractor. Louis Bob, Refractor. Yordan Marcata, that's a cool insert. Diamond Kings, Optic. Hoyt William for the White Sox Refractor. Tommy John, very cool. Another one that added the PC there. Very cool, thank you. White Sox relic of Jose Abreu. And a refractor of Jock Peterson. Is this numbered? Yes, it is, right there. 412 of 570. Sweet. Add that to my Jocks. A Luca. Nice, because you knew I was going to add to my Lakers. Yeah, Luca. And a Bronny James rookie card. Cool. Thank you very much, E. Appreciate that. In the first bag. Let's see what happens in the second one. All right. Top card is a Sandy Koufax Icons from Iconic. That's very cool. I definitely have a lot of Sandys. Stars Gazing from Jose Abreu. That's a silver. Very cool. This is a Yasiel Puig. No. Andrew Jones. Oh, that's right. I remember when Andrew Jones was a Dodger, but he was a bust for the Dodgers. I worked at the stadium at that time. Gavin Lux, who's the new Cincinnati Reds. So I'll add this to it. This is cool. This is Topps Baseball Card Day 2020. I don't think I got any of the 2020 Baseball Card Day, so that's cool. Pee Wee Reese, right on. Add to my Pee Wee Reese collection. Cody, I got a huge Cody collection, purple. And this one's not numbered. Yeah, it is. There it is. 47 of 75. That is sweet. Thank you very much. Add to my Cody PC there. First auto. We got ourselves a Milton Bradley. I always love that name because that's who does the games. And it's number 30 of 100. That's sweet. Milton Bradley. And the second auto. 84 style rookie card of Dennis Santana. Very cool. And the last card in that pack is a pink Gavin Lux. So that's going to go to my Gavins. He's my ex-Dodger. Okay, my last team bag. Top card, got a refractor of James Outman. Got it, all aces, Bobby Miller, sweet rookie card. Got an Oscar Colas from the White Sox. Got a Mookie Betts, let him cook. Sweet. A Mookie refractor. Sweet. Emmett Sheehan rookie card. Speckle, sorry. Shohei Ohtani from the Heritage. I have one like that. I actually picked this up from Ethan. Came back at 8. This is a super short print one. And this must be the base or something, I think. Maybe it's short print. I don't know. Very cool. Very, very cool. Always add to my Shohei collection. Michael Busch rookie card from the Holiday Edition. And it is a short print with the candy cane bat. This one's 99 and 99. Jorvet Valdez. Green, number 99.99. Very cool. And then a Mookie Betts Big League Bowling. That's very cool. I like to bowl. I'm pretty good at it, but I know Mookie is like the man at bowling on top of it. So very cool. Very cool. Thank you very much, Ethan, for the team bags. I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get into the blaster boxes. Start with blaster box number 1 here. Had a little bit of luck with this, but not too much. My buddy's kind of disappointed with it, but, you know, it is what it is when it comes to this. It's a hit or miss. But let's see if I get a little lucky out of this. There's an empty one. Or not. So, it is what it is. I like to gamble, so let's go ahead and gamble. Alright, top card. Andres Jimenez. Hee Seung Kim. Bradley Brook, rookie card. Charlie Blackmon. Future Stars, Nolan Shimar. Takes Two, Ellie in India. Reese Olson. Calvin McDonough. Yordan Alvarez. Very cool. Jake Berger. David Fiesta, rookie card. And the Stars of MLB is a Nolan Arenado. Sweet. Alright, next pack of cards. Okay, we got a backwards card. Probably the holiday one. Or these crazy insert cards. Rookie card, Grant McRae. Cool. Okay. Jake Cronenworth. Brooks Gallen rookie card. Benoit Doyle. Francisco Lindor. Logan Webb. Seth Benoit rookie card. Another rookie. This is Dalvin Moore. Rookie of Will Warner. Matt Verling. Lamont Wade Jr. James Wood rookie card. That's cool. And this is Greatest Hits insert. And a Mookie Betts Stars of MLB. Cool. James Wood rookie card. Very nice. All right. Next pack. All right. Top card. We got a DJ Hurst rookie card. We got a Isaac Peraza. Anthony Rizzo, Pete Crow Armstrong, Cal Quintel, Manny Machado, Jonski Noel, Mike Tuckman, Jazz Chisholm, very cool, Joey Cantanillo rookie card, Marciano Dubon, and a Francisco Lindor Stars of MLB. Alright, next pack. Alright, we got another one of the tops turned over. That's Mason Wynn. That's a nice one. Rookie Cup. Cool. Got the Red Sox. We got a Spencer Steer. Brendan Marsh. Andrew Abbott. Paul Skeens. Don't know that guy. Paul Skeens. Sweet. There we go. Rookie of Connor Noby. Jackson Holiday. Very cool. Future Stars. Nico Horner. Luis Castillo. Tyler Gridley. Rookie card. 1990 rookie Zabby Matthews from Minnesota, and a Bobby Witt Jr. Stars of MLB. Very cool. All right, next pack. All right, top card is a rookie Angel Martinez. John Gray, the Baltimore Orioles. Warno Sanchez, Christian Encarnacion Strand, Kyle Schwarber, rookie of Cade Pavich, Erwin Diaz, Future Stars of Canida Rafaela. Michael Bush, Rookie Cup. Garrett Cole, who's out for the season. And Ronald Acuna Jr., Stars of MLB. All right, next pack. And we got one backwards again. And this is a Brady Stringer. Yeah. So there we go. Freddie Freeman. Yeah, that's awesome. We got a Ryan Percott, the Red Sox. Zach Neto. Dansby Swanson. Giancarlo Stanton. Let's Dance with the Bravos. Okay. Gunnar Henderson. Future Stars of Tyler Schwartzman. Rafael Devers. Dylan Cruz, rookie card. There's the other one. Wow. I got the two big rookies in these inserts. Very cool. And the next Stars of MLB is Juan Soto. Very cool. Juan Soto. Very good. All right. Last pack. Last pack Magic. Last pack Mojo. And that's box. See if we get anything cool. All right. So we got a Seth logo. Norris Duke-Bar. Rookie of Shea Whitcomb. Eloy Jimenez. Stars of MLB. Kyle Harrison. Escalo Tabara from the Rockies. My bad. Joe Ryan. Darchon Varsho. Ventos. This is Tarek Skubal. Left-hander. Not numbered. There you go, Jay. My buddy Jamie loves this guy too. And we got a rainbow foil of Andrew Benintendi, Beanie Biceps, and Stars of MLB, Matt Chapman, to end it out. All right, let's get into the next box. So this will be the last part of the Pateron. Please tell me in the comments down below what you think of the cards that I got in my PC box, how I did in this rip. What do you think of the goodies that I got with the top loaders and the sleeves? Do you think it's worth the value? There's the cards, the empty box. I definitely do. Always do. Always pull great stuff and get great stuff from Ethan. Alright. Next pack. It is rookie card of DJ Hears. Isaac Peraza. Anthony Volpe. Pete Crow Armstrong. Kyle Schwarber. Rookie of Cade Pavich. Dansby Swanson. The Marlins. Ryan Mountcastle. Brian De La Cruz. Rookie of Tyler Locklear. And a Jordan Alvarez, Stars of MLB for that first pack. Alright, next pack. Alright, top card insert. Bryce Harper. There you go. Bang. That'll work. Nice. Alright, next is the Red Sox. And Spencer Steer. Brandon Marsh. Giancarlo Stanton. Future Stars, Kyle Harrison. Esquivel Tabar. Carlos Correa. Emmett Clement. Ernie Clement. I pulled out of 25 of this one. ML Clausen, Brent Booker, Yoshiba Yamamoto from the Dodgers. There's a PC card. And another one, Luis Robert Jr., Stars of MLB for the White Sox. All right, next pack. Top card, we got ourselves a Angel Martinez rookie card. Joe Gray. The Baltimore Orioles, Eduardo Sanchez, Yu Darvish, Dylan Dingler, rookie card, Jose Altuve, Shohei Ohtani, Willie Adames, and Manny Machado for RBIs. Bam. David Hamilton, Spencer Schwellenbach, rookie card for the Bravos. Riley Green, and a Carlos Correa, Stars of MLB. Next pack. Here's an insert for Willie Benson. And then we got a Freddie Freeman. Seem to always get a Freddie Freeman. Ryan Pepiot, the Red Sox. Zach Neto. Randy Arozarena, rookie of Hunter Fresconola for the Dodgers. Starling Marte. Ellie De La Cruz, Future Stars. Mitch Haniger. Rodicky, William Diaz. Call to the Hall, Nolan Ryan. Bang, that'll add to my Nolans. That's cool. And a Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Stars of MLB. All right, next pack. Okay, my top card is a Seth Logo, Lars Nootbaar, rookie of Shea Whitcomb, Eloy Jimenez, Jock Peterson, Vinny Pasquantino, Ryan Hensley, incoming Cleveland, Andrew Vaughn, Wilmer Diaz, and a rainbow foil of Luis Ringfaro for the Angels, and a Stars of MLB Corey Seager for the Rangers. Next pack. All right. Oh, one of the inserts, turn it around, and it's a rookie of Nick Strogaard for the Red Sox. Will Castro, Chris Bassett, RBIs, Judge Ramirez and Booker. Rookie card of Pedro Leon, Ryan Thompson, Tommy Edman for the Dodgers, Aaron Judge for the Yankees, Navarro Alvarez Jr., rookie card, J.P. Crawford, Cody Mayo, rookie card for the Orioles. Oh, check it out. Bang. For my PC, 1990, Bo Jackson, 35 years. That is sick. Bang. And a Stars of MLB rookie card of James Wood. That will do too. Bang. All right. Last pack magic. Last pack mojo in this rip. See if we can pull in fire. Any crazy number card or something. Tyler Stevenson. Zach Wheeler. Future Stars Christian Mejia. Rookie card. Will Bennington. Brandon Lau. Rookie of Renette Lauder. Jared Kelnick. Lane Thompson. Zach Efron. Jose Miranda. Backwards card. Foil. Well, kind of. Mark Ventos. Not numbered. For the New York Mets. And a Stars of MLB. Rafael Devers. To end it off. All right, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this rip. I think I got quite a few good cards in here. Lots of PC, lots of stuff to put away. If you leave a like in this, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And as always, peace.